Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Last time we were looking at sanding, getting ready for paint, and ultimately looking towards this thing. What we're going to do now is we are going to paint the helmet, get it ready to go. So why don't we go take a look at how it's done? So I'm a bit of an idiot and hit the time lapse on my camera instead of record, but this is just priming the surface to paint. All right, so all that we're going to do is we're going to paint off, tape off the ears, down the jawline, in front, all the way around, and on the other side too. When you're taping, put down a test strip and peel it back up like I do right here to make sure it doesn't pull up any of your primer.
I'm a dragon that's spit fire, I spit it out. If you walk and wait, I'm in it now. It's so blessed, I ain't got no limit now. Grab the pip and bit, I put it down. I'm a dragon that's spit fire, I spit it out. If you walk and wait, I'm in it now. It's so blessed, I ain't got no limit now. Grab the pip and bit, I put it down. Tell Donnie just to grab his ride. It's time now to go for a drive. If man tryna pester me, then it's time for the pesticide. Right, I feel my mind go west. Yes, is this more like a test? I guess. No need then to compress. Oh yes, we do things with chess. Tell me where's your emotion? Talk a lot but yeah, no motion. Talk a lot but they stay joking. Talk a lot but they still hoping. Tell me where's your emotion? Talk a lot but yeah, no motion. Talk a lot but they stay joking. Talk a lot but they still hoping. See, look how I switch now. Yeah, next phase. This man being petty. Rude boy, act your age. No need for a sit down. What does that waste? All of my time now. Call it a day. I get the whole crowd vibing. Bring the piff and yeah, perfect timing. Beat and bars, that's pure vibrance. Long way come from them sirens. I get the whole crowd vibing. Bring the piff and yeah, perfect timing. Beat and bars, that's pure vibrance. Long way come from them sirens. I can say now life is bliss. Fam, let them know what it is. Lots of man think it's drip on a wrist, but my bro, there's more to this. We don't flex to calm a fix. Nah, we got goals and mix. Might be hard to just notice it. We don't boast or brag, but if man wanna try a diss, then man, that's one sure miss. If man wanna try take risks, that's deep, deep like abyss. Man wanna try a diss, then man, that's one sure miss. Man wanna try take risks, that's deep and deep like abyss. It's time now to go for a drive. If man tryna pester me, then it's time for the pesticide. Right, I feel my mind go west. Yes, is this more like a test? I guess. No need then to compress. Oh yes, we do things with chess. Tell me where's your emotion? Talk a lot but yeah, no motion. Talk a lot but they stay joking.
I decided to use tape on this section to fill in these areas, but you can also use something like newspaper to cover larger areas, which I use on the main dome of the helmet.
But they still hoping. See, look how I switch now. Yeah, next phase. This man being petty. Rude boy, act your age. No need for a sit down. What does that waste? All of my time now. Call it a day. I get the whole crowd vibing. Bring the piff and yeah, perfect timing. Beat and bars, that's pure vibrance. Long way come from them sirens. I get the whole crowd vibing. Bring the piff and yeah, perfect timing. Beat and bars, that's pure vibrance. Long way come from them sirens. I can say now life is bliss. Fam, let them know what it is. Lots of man think it's drip on a wrist, but my bro, there's more to this. We don't flex to calm a fix. Nah, we got goals and mix. Might be hard to just notice it. We don't boast or brag, but if man wanna try a diss, then man, that's one sure miss. If man wanna try take risks, that's deep, deep like abyss. Man wanna try a diss, then man, that's one sure miss. Man wanna try take risks, that's deep and deep like abyss.
didn't quite get this 100% straight. You can see right here, and through here. So we're just taking an X-Acto knife and cut through it. When you're using the X-Acto knife, you want to run it along the edge of the corners or any areas that you want to cut off so that the paint can have a clean edge.
Trey. Yeah. I'm a dragon that spit fire, I spit it out. If you walk and wait, I'm in it now. It's a blast, I ain't got no limit now. Grab the pip and bit, I build it out. I'm a dragon that spit fire, I spit it out. If you walk and wait, I'm in it now. It's a blast, I ain't got no limit now. Grab the pip and bit, I build it out. Tell Donnie just to grab his ride. It's time now to go for a drive. If man trying to pester me, then it's time for the pesticide. Right.
Here I'm using a Krylon Fusion Metallic Gold. Any gold should work for this part, but make sure that you test out your colors and your paints so that you know how they react together. And remember, this is just a base coat. We're gonna put other colors on top of this, so it's not perfect. You can see that. Let me shine my light on it. You can see now I've got a nice gold on there. And that's gonna give it that nice metallic undercoat to where it's gonna have a little bit of glint underneath the dark blue when we're done. Okay, you're doing this Krylon Color Max Gloss Navy Blue. I decided very early on I wanted a candy effect on this helmet. And the trick to getting that is to lightly coat the top color. In this case, the navy blue.
But my bro, there's more to this. We don't flex to calm a fix. Nah, we got goals and mix. Might be hard to just notice it. We don't.
After letting the blue dry for about 24 hours, we're gonna gently peel up the tape here. Just make sure not to peel up your paint as well. I can't believe how good this turned out. Look at that blue. Same thing here as before. Tape off any areas you don't want painted. In this one, I do use newspaper to cover the main dome.
Talk a lot, but yeah, no motion. Talk a lot, but they stay joking. Talk a lot, but they still hoping. Tell me where's your emotion? Talk a lot, but yeah, no motion. Talk a lot, but they stay joking. Talk a lot, but they still hoping. See, look how I switch now. Yeah, next phase. This man being petty. Rude boy, act your age. No need for a sit down. What is that waste? All of my time now. Call it a day. I get the whole crowd vibing. Bring the piff and yeah, perfect timing. Beat and bars, that's pure vibrance. Long way come from them sirens. I get the whole crowd vibing. Bring the piff and yeah, perfect timing. Beat and bars, that's pure vibrance. Long way come from them sirens. I can say now life is bliss. Fam, let them know what it is. Lots of man think it's drip on the wrist. But my bro, there's more to this. We don't flex to calm a fix. Nah, we got goals and mix. Might be hard to just notice it. We don't boast or brag, but if man wanna try a diss, then man, that's one she'll miss. If man wanna try take risks, that's deep, deep like abyss. Man wanna try a diss, then man, that's one she'll miss. Man wanna try take risks, that's deep and deep like abyss. If you walk and wait, pesticide. Right, I feel my mind go west. Yes, is this more like a test? I guess. No need then to compress. Oh yes, we do things with chess. Tell me where's your emotion? Talk a lot but yeah, no motion. Talk a lot but they stay joking. Talk a lot but they still hoping. Tell me where's your emotion? Talk a lot but yeah, no motion. Talk a lot but they
We're about to apply a final coat here. Found this like silver hammered look that I want to try. Rust-Oleum hammered is what it is. Interesting. So you can kind of see where it's adding a texture to it, which is nice. That's kind of what we want for like a metalled look, like a worn metal look. We're gonna let that sit for a minute before we hit it again. This one I'm applying a lot thicker because it's one color, so there's no undercoat.
I'm a dragon to spit bar, I spit it out. If you're welcome, wait a minute. It's so blessed I ain't got no limit now. Grab the pavement bit.
All right, now we'll be back in maybe tomorrow, 24-ish hours, and peel off that tape, see how she looks.
All right, let's take off this tape and see how he did.
Yes, is this more like a test? I guess. No need then to compress. Oh yes, we do things with chess. Tell me where's your emotion? Talk a lot but yeah, no motion. Talk a lot but they stay joking. Talk a lot but they still hoping. Tell me where's your emotion? Talk a lot but yeah, no motion. Talk a lot but they stay joking.
And wait for it. Oh, look at how gorgeous this turned out. The blue, the silver. I'm amazed. I'm absolutely amazed.
Well, now we know what it looks like. I think it looked gorgeous. What do you guys think? Let me know. Make sure we hit that subscribe button down below. Check out the video here, and I'm excited to see where else this project goes. Let's see what else we can make.